In the previous video, we created our project and organized it with folders. Now it's time to start building. We're going to create the entire project inside a space. To begin, we ask Claude to create a new space inside our Candela project. Once that's done, we can start working on one of our main characters. For this, we'll use a set of references that we selected beforehand, upload them into the conversation, and ask Claude to create a character based on those references, including any specific characteristics you want the character to have. As soon as the instruction is submitted, the process begins to take shape inside the space. From there, you can keep refining the result and adjusting it as needed. Once the character is ready, ask Claude to save the result in the character folder. By repeating the same process, we can create the rest of the characters and complete the cast. And just like that, all the characters for our production are ready.